What's going on, guys? GameX here, and today we're going to be playing a game called Kill the Plumber. And what it basically is it's kind of like Mario, but you're playing as the bad guys, as the Goombas. And let's get started. So there's he looks like a mailman with the mail kind of thing, but he does have the overalls. So I don't know. Sir, a maniac is coming in our kingdom. What? Sign the troops. Okay, so. Oh. Get rid of that. Go, little goon. Get near and kill him. Move sideways with AD or arrows. I'm gonna do the arrows. And okay. So okay. That's it. Okay. That's fine. Stop. Stomp. Don't. Getting stomped on is not a bad. Is not a bad feeling. It's not the best feeling. Okay. So I probably shouldn't do that. Okay, that works. So stomp on him. Yeah. Like little 3 stars, I think. I don't know. Look at the cloud. Oh, okay. You can say look at the cloud. They're angry. Is that me or Mario? Or the plumber, I should say. And I guess this walking back and forth works. And that kills them, okay. 3 stars. So far, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Make the player lose in any way possible. Okay, if he doesn't jump on me. And then R? Oh, I guess I can touch him. That's okay. Use your heads, that joke never gets old. Oh, because okay, I get it, because the heads are spiky. Okay, I get it. Okay. Guess same thing. Gotta time this. I don't know what to do. Well, I bait him. No! Come back. Come back. Come on. You. I just realized that Mario or the plumber looks a lot like people from Scribblenauts. Kind of. But I mean, the body doesn't really. What am I supposed to do? What? Can I jump? No. Can I do anything? Oh, wow. Can I force him somewhere else? No. Where does he go? About here? No! So close! So close. Okay, about here. Yeah? Yeah! Cleared. 2, 3 stars! Alright. Okay, next level. And what? What? How are you supposed to do this? Like just like this? Yeah, I guess that works. Okay, I'll take that. If you use spacebar W. Oh, okay. I see. Oh, okay. That makes. Can I jump on him? No. But you can get the flag. Okay. Gotta time that. Dang it. Gotta time that. Go. Time that. Yeah. Got him. Next level. Oh, one of these. Oh, okay. Oh, but we jump this time. Oh, come on. 1 second left, really. You gotta figure him out. Okay. That was not that hard. It's a little hard, but. Oh, god. Okay. Gotta climb up these floating platforms. And. Oh! Oh my. That. I touched. That's dumb. No, I can't reach that in time. Okay, I gotta time this. Yeah, got you. There's skulls on the ground. I just now realized that. Okay, now, oh, gotta beat him, Got to time this. Oh, are you kidding me? This is dumb. I got him. What? Am I not fast enough? I almost fell. Oh, am I gonna be fast enough? Am I? No. No bueno. No. Okay. Get him? Yeah. Oh! What? That's dumb. I mean, I don't know. No! Come on. This game should make him a bit slower. And yeah. Yeah! Shortcut. Okay. First roll done. And push down or S to stomp. Okay. That was easy. Next level, okay, and then we're gonna rise. Oh yeah, we're gonna rise, and then we're gonna stop. Oh, okay. I see how it is. Can we stop? Can we, no. Wow. Okay. And then, squash. Yeah. Or was it stop? I think it's stop. Yeah, it was stop. What? What? Okay, it's like, no. Oh! No! Come on. I don't know if you guys can. No. Come on, you gotta be like so precise with this. You gotta be like perfect. And no. I keep on pushing space to stop. But god dang it. What? I don't know. Where I will start. Dang it, keep on pushing wrong buttons. Dang it. Go over. Yeah. For like the 5th time. This is crazy. It is turn. Well, I guess it is a puzzle game. How are you supposed to do that? Not like that. This? Yeah, this. And then down, left, down, right, up, up. Oh, okay, now. And then down. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that. Okay, these are getting way harder now. Push down or S to throw axes. You can also jump. Okay. Okay. Throw axes. Get on with one of these. I can't go down or anything, can I? Really? Come on. Just get him. Get him. No. Okay. Okay. Come on, get him. Yeah, got him. Okay, next level. Okay, just gonna get him. Oh, wow, first try. First X even. Wow. I should get like 10,000 points. Oh. Get 5. I can say 5,920. 5,920 new best. Yeah, okay. Now. Oh, okay. Wait, how many times have I said okay? What? Okay, ignore that. I'm just gonna pause this. And then I'm gonna stop it and restart it. And then combine the 2 videos. And